What's up, everybody, man? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Brilla, and we back with another video today. It's been a minute since I posted, bro. I already know, bro. It's been like, what, a couple months? I ain't posted a minute, but I just been living life, bro, just doing a lot of different things. So yeah, bro, y'all bear with me. But as y'all read the title, I got a new pickup, bro. I got a new pickup, and this is some heat, bro. I've been wanting these shoes for a minute, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's crazy. I've been getting every shoe I wanted, like, in the past 2-3 years, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? I just been going crazy with shopping. But we got big ass box. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I'm obsessed with Balenciaga, bro. Like, I'm gonna be sad since Denver is leaving. I don't know if y'all keep up with Balenciaga, but I keep up with Balenciaga a lot. This is another pickup I have. I know y'all seen the last one with the bulldozers and the Alaskans. Well, these are the stripes. One of the craziest shoes, most versatile shoe that they have in the collection to me. I feel like it's probably one of the best shoes, bro. It goes with every outfit. So yeah, we're gonna show y'all what it's looking like, bro. I got it when I went to the Galleria in Houston and I picked these up. And the crazy thing is, they only had one size left. And it so happened to just be my size. Like I low-key a size down on these shoes, so I'm not gonna lie. If I was to get these shoes, like if I'm trying to get these shoes and I don't know my sizing, I would size down, because crazy that I got a 41 and I could fit a 42 and 43. I just feel like my shoe size and like certain shoes, especially with Balenciaga, it varies. Like, I don't know, bro. Like sometimes the shoes run small, sometimes the shoes run big. It really just, I don't know. Balenciaga sizing is crazy. So I would size down on these, just like the Alaskans. But yeah, when you open the box, of course everybody knows what the box looks like when you open it. I'm not gonna lie, when I tried the shoe on, the shoe fit perfect. Like, it comes in the dust bag like all the Balenciaga. I'm not gonna show both of them because there's no point, bro. But look at this beauty, bro. Crazy. Like, just look at it, bro. Sexy. Y'all see that, bro? And then they got the scuff marks on it. Oh, man. So y'all can see it.
Get your taxes done in a snap with the TurboTax app. Get your max refund and file 100%.
Beautiful shoe, bro. I'm not gonna lie, like, I wouldn't expect it to be this heavy, but it's kind of heavy, bro. I feel like when I wear this, you know what I'm saying, my feet might hurt a little bit. Beauty is pain, bro. Especially with designer, bro. No designer shoe is comfortable, bro. You wearing it really for the look and for the name. But yeah, man, this is the stripes, bro. Beautiful shoe. I'm not gonna lie, I still never worn it. I've been having them for 2 weeks. I'm just not doing the video, but yeah, man. The distressing on here is insane. Like, crazy distressing. But I feel like it pairs well because I don't know, just like, I don't know, certain shoes just seem like they look better when they're dirty or used. Like, I feel like especially with Rick Owens, like the Ramones, they look better when they're dirty. Like, I feel like, I don't know what's the point of buying designer and you're not gonna wear your shoes. If you just let them sit and just collect dust, crazy. Like, they made to be worn. Unless you just, you know, you spending your last on a pair of shoes and you trying to make sure they last forever. But I don't know, man. Rock your shoes, bro, if you spend money on them. But yeah, man, I got 41, crazy. Yeah. I don't know what other shoes I'm gonna get after this. I got a couple shoes in mind that I wanna get. Like, I wanna get the Geo baskets, the Rick Owens Geo baskets, and then I wanna get some more arenas. I never did a review on the arenas yet, but I got a pair of arenas that I got in Burgundy, beautiful. I wanna get those. I wanna get some more New Rocks, and I wanna get Margiela Futures. I feel like that's like I don't know, it's becoming a TikTok shoe now, but especially these. I feel like these became a TikTok shoe. Like, everybody and their mama have Balenciaga stripes. If I was to get a pair of shoes that's from Balenciaga, I would get these. But I feel like everybody has these now. It's crazy. This is like the Timbs, but for designer. Like, I prefer these. I actually think these look better than Timbs, like way better than Timbs. I just feel like Timbs just, I don't know, they just seem like work shoes. Like, these are combat shoes, but they just look more stylish. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like, if you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. These look better than the Balenciagas. And the zip up on here is insane. Like, sick. I don't know if y'all can see. Did they put a tag like a Balenciaga? Nah. Yeah, man. It's not too much, not too flamboyant, not crazy. Just a simple black, combat boot. I'd recommend it. Yeah, I get it. It's just a steep price. It's not that crazy of a price. I paid like 13 in the store. You can find them on Saks and Neiman's for like maybe 9 something if they have a sale, or 1,000. But I feel like it's just a better experience to get them in store because you get that. It's just something about that experience of purchasing the shoe in the store, and then of course it's legit. Like if you buy it from Saks, people could return a fake and then you get a fake, and then yeah. So, but yeah, that's all, man. I don't want to show y'all the shoe. I'll show y'all better, boat shoes together. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Yeah, y'all stay tuned to the end.